Okay, welcome back. It's been a minute. It's been a nice little minute, and we back at it, man. I had to chill out for a second, get my mental right. Um, I forget when the last recording was. Like the last time I recorded was not uploaded, um, but you know, we back at it. I'm not giving up, like I said. You know, I just like to take my time with things now, just being more patient, um, and just letting God do God, man. I'm gonna just sit back. You know what I'm saying? And do the best I can. So let's talk about the two trades I'm in right now, right? So right now I'm in Bitcoin and UChef. So this Bitcoin setup, I got in. When did I get in? Shoot. Yeah. So it was like Monday, Tuesday. I got in. Uh, got in. Scene structure was shifting. See, I had this set before this happened. I had this set up. This is what I thought was gonna happen. We didn't quite do that exactly, but we was close. And so when we broke below that, I kind of just seen like the head and shoulder here, low key. Like you see how we got this shoulder, head, shoulder, and I kind of just got in here. I was just like, I like to set up. Also, fundamental wise, understanding that we've been getting news lately that's kind of bearish in a sense because now we just moved down to a 75% rate that we're going to cut 25 basis points, but it was just at 90. So it was just at like 90 something last week. So we damn near leaning more towards rate hikes. So just taking that momentum, just trying to see how much I can get out of the fear right now. So I expect Bitcoin to at least get me back down into this range. I could get out and take my profit now, but yeah, I think we can go lower. I think we can go lower. So as long as we don't really break above this POC here, I think we'll be good. And I'll probably just let it do its thing, man. I'll probably just let it run until about London session, and then see what we're doing. And then the UChef trade, right? So the UChef trade, same reason, kind of fundamental wise, understanding that we are, like I said, moving towards rate heights a little bit. Like I said, 75% or 25%, 20+% jump down when it comes to if we gonna cut rates or not. So, I just went off that. Also, how the dollar was, like how the structure of the dollar was, we kind of already broke this. So I was expecting once we break this range to kind of at least get back up into here. And so I was looking at UChef. I seen it kind of setting up right here, and I seen the dollar, and I was like, I got in like right after this. Got back on this retest here, and now we starting to show some strength. If you look at my account right now, I took some partials from Bitcoin, so I took partials, make sure I just paid myself. And yeah, so this is my 25K and my 5K here. So that's all we got right now, man. Yeah. Later. What up? What up? What it do? Um, this is the update. This is 11:30 p.m. Um, August 22nd, as you can see down here, right? Okay, so how did my trades go? So I was in Bitcoin and I was in USD Chef. So if you ask me how did that go? Let me tell you. So this thing kind of did its thing on me, and the news came out. Jerome Powell spoke, and the tariffs wasn't doing as bad as it was transitory, so only the one time thing, and people were excited about that. People are less scared. At least for now. You know what I mean? Right now, it's still the hype train, and basically, this opportunity was a buy the dip type of opportunity. So when the news came out, I was sleeping actually. I was actually asleep. Went to the gym like late, like around 10, 11, didn't get back till 2. So I ain't gonna lie, I went to sleep, passed out, man, woke up, my trades lost. So, I wound up getting out like around here. So it was almost back to my entry. And then if we go to U-Chef, we go to U-Chef here. Was expecting it to come and do its thing here. Came back down here. Looked like it was gonna come down here anyway before this news came out. I mean, no telling what we would have done when we came back here, but it looked like we was gonna get down here in the first place regardless of the news. It just really dropped. So so whatever. Them the only 2 trades I really took this week. Not really mad at losing these trades, man. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not mad at it. These were pretty decent setups for me. I'm not mad, man. I swear I'm not. I think I applied the things I learned last week to this week. With being very selective with my trading. Like I said, I only traded twice. And then even on one of the trades that I lost, I was collecting partials this whole time. Like, you look here, I mean, I lost $86, but that's less than I would have lost if I wasn't collecting these partials. So that's more than I would have lost, right? So I'm not mad at this, man. It's part of the game. I'm glad I'm learning more, and I'm glad I'm applying patience more to my trading. So I'm not mad at this, man. I'm actually excited, and I'm actually understanding now the sentiment now. So I think, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is going to be profitable days for me. I think next week is going to be a profitable week for me. That's hard to predict in this market, and that's probably, hopefully I don't eat my words, but honestly, bro, I love trading, and I'm falling in love with more of the journey more, bro. I'm gonna fall in love with the journey. The results gonna come regardless of how they come. I really don't care no more, bro. I'm just gonna enjoy this journey, and I'm just gonna enjoy learning and really just being a part of this game, man. I love it. So that's it. Yeah, man, maybe I'll break down the markets and see what we can get into, next week. But that's it for this week. Hey, man, y'all enjoy y'all weekend. Hey, yeah.